So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Decentraland cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the middle bottom here and select the Explore icon. Once you're on the Explore page at the top where it says Search, go ahead and start typing in at Decentraland. So type in ticker symbol MANA, M-A-N-A, or Decentraland, and then select it. Once it's here, go to the bottom and press Buy. Then on this page right here, you can go ahead and type in the amount of Decentraland crypto you want to purchase. So for this example, if you wanted to do $7, you type in 7 and then press on review. Then on this page, you can see how much of this cryptocurrency you're purchasing, the fees, and the total cost. And if this looks good, go to the bottom and you can swipe up to submit the order. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Decentraland crypto here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.